Yep.
Oh, there's a video.
What are you doing, Sophia?
I'm getting sticks.
Dad,
What
can
for?
I put the sticks over like this?
There.
Go and check it on there. Go on.
My poking stick.
Hey, what about Molly's?
Go and check it on there.
Right there. And I think Sophia might have killed it.
I'm feeling it, Andrew.
That's not killing, that's not killing. That's destroying.
Oh, it's on my side. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Sophia. Well, it's a big fire. Let's freak Mummy out. Look at that. There you go.